Hey guys, so pretty awesome, we have an unboxing here of the iPhone SE 2020, which is basically an iPhone 11 in an iPhone 8's body, and at an excellent price at only $400. So let's get right to it. So yeah, this is your standard Apple box. Now inside it, we have your welcome packet, designed by Apple in California. Now, this is the product red version. So if you get the product red, then Apple donates some of the proceeds to coronavirus relief. There's also white and black versions. All right, yeah, so this is your package, your stickers. And underneath that, we got the iPhone SE 2020. So take a look at that in a few. All right, so not much else. We also have your wall charger. So it looks like a standard one. Some headphones. And also a lightning cable. All right, guys, so now for the phone. Yeah, so this does feel a lot like the iPhone 7 and the 8. Just gonna power it on. Alright, so I'll put in my info and be back in a few. Alright guys, so my first thoughts. Now, it feels a lot like the iPhone 7 or 8, which have the same design. But of course the SE has much better specs. Now it's also a lot larger than the original SE. And once again guys, obviously much better specs for the SE 2020. So now for the specs. Now the worst spec on here is definitely the screen. So this is only 4.7 inches and 720p. Unlike the iPhone 11 series, you're not getting that nearly bezel-less display. And it's also not nearly as bright. Now the front camera on this is 7MP. And on the back you only have one camera. But it's the best one from the iPhone 11. Now for the internals, you have the latest A13. So same as the iPhone 11. And also 3 GB of RAM. That's obviously not much RAM, but the iPhone definitely doesn't need much. You have 3 options for storage, but no micro SD card support. A pretty small 1821 battery. That could be a concern, but again, we'll do testing for it. The phone is also backed to the fingerprint, which fortunately works extremely well, pretty much 100% of the time. Alright, now at the bottom we have a lightning port, and also some speakers, so the phone has dual speakers. Now, you don't have a headphone jack, but on the back you have wireless charging, and the phone is also water resistant. Alright guys, first thoughts. Now, if you're in the market for a small and budget-friendly iPhone, then obviously this is easily your best bet. Now, it's not, again guys, it's not quite as small as the SE, but keep in mind this is 4 years old, so it's not going to be receiving updates nearly as often, for nearly as long. So yeah, it's a bit bigger, but again guys, by 2020 standards, this is definitely your best bet. Alright guys, so thanks for watching, and a lot more coming shortly.